The 27th of February 2025 article written by Vijay Mauli. The Chennai construction industry, like any other, is a complex interplay of human motivations and behaviors. Understanding the psychology of the key players, developers, customers, and employers, is crucial for success. Developer psychology. Developers in Chennai, driven by profit and legacy, operate in a high-stakes environment. Their psychology is often a blend of calculated risk-taking and aspirational vision. They are motivated by financial gain. The desire for substantial returns on investment fuels their decisions. They carefully analyze market trends, project costs, and potential profits. Reputation and legacy. Building a strong brand and leaving a lasting impact on the city's skyline are significant motivators. They strive for quality and innovation to distinguish themselves from competitors. Risk tolerance. The construction industry is inherently risky. Developers must possess a high tolerance for uncertainty, navigating fluctuating material costs, regulatory changes, and economic downturns. Power and control. The ability to shape the urban landscape and manage large-scale projects can be a source of immense satisfaction. They often exhibit a strong sense of control and decisiveness. Pressure and stress. Dealing with tight deadlines, budget constraints, and demanding stakeholders can lead to significant stress. They must possess resilience and effective coping mechanisms. Customer psychology. For Chennai residents, purchasing a home or commercial space is a significant life decision, heavily influenced by emotional and practical factors. Their psychology is characterized by security and stability. Owning property represents a sense of security and stability, particularly in a rapidly growing city. They seek a safe and comfortable living or working environment. Social status. Property ownership is often associated with social status and prestige. Customers may be influenced by the location, amenities, and design of a property. Emotional connection. The desire for a dream home or a place where they can create lasting memories plays a crucial role. They are drawn to properties that evoke positive emotions. Value for money. Customers are increasingly discerning, seeking value for their investment. They carefully compare prices, quality, and amenities before making a decision. Fear of missing out, FOMO. The rapidly appreciating property market can create a sense of urgency, leading to impulsive purchases. They are susceptible to marketing tactics that emphasize scarcity and exclusivity. Trust and reliability. Customer place a high value on the trustworthiness of the builder. They look for builders with a strong track record. Employer psychology. Contractors, subcontractors. Employers in the construction industry, including contractors and subcontractors, face unique challenges related to workforce management and project execution. Their psychology is shaped by efficiency and productivity. Maximizing productivity and minimizing costs are paramount. They strive to create a well-organized and efficient work environment. Safety and compliance. Ensuring the safety of their workers and adhering to regulatory requirements are crucial. They prioritize safety training and implement strict safety protocols. Workforce management. Managing a diverse workforce, including skilled and unskilled laborers, can be challenging. They must possess strong leadership and communication skills. Meeting deadlines. Completing projects on time is essential for maintaining client relationships and profitability. They are constantly under pressure to meet tight deadlines. Financial stability. Managing cash flow and ensuring timely payments are critical for their survival. They are vulnerable to economic fluctuations and payment delays. Worker retention. Retaining skilled workers is a high priority. Workers that are treated well and paid fairly are more likely to stay. Understanding these psychological factors allows construction industry professionals in Chennai to build stronger relationships, improve communication, and ultimately achieve greater success. To stay up to date on the latest trends and insights in the Chennai construction industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. We provide valuable information and resources to help you succeed in this dynamic market. Disclaimer: this information is for knowledge and informational purposes only. It should not be interpreted as professional advice, financial guidance, or a substitute for expert consultation. Individual circumstances and market conditions vary, and any decisions made based on this information are at your own discretion and risk.